Villages and a tree plantation drive.
Presentation is to MLA Balaji. Honorable MLA Balaji of Sohra constituency by Swami Achitesha Nandaji in the textile section, and a coffee table book presentation.
This program has been postponed in the past, but I'm happy that we were able to go ahead with it today. So I'm very thankful to all of you for having waited patiently to be part of this program. I would like to congratulate the Ramakrishna Mission on this very, very historic day. As mentioned earlier by Maharaj Ji, that this is the first college by the Ramakrishna Mission in the entire Northeast. They have been here for more than 100 years, serving the people of our state, serving the people of this region. And as the saying goes, service to man is service to God. There is nothing more noble than having compassion. There is nothing more divine than being able to help a person in need, being supportive to them, giving education to young children, giving livelihood to people who don't have any resources to manage their houses. It is this compassion and this commitment with which Ramakrishna Mission today works, drives them to achieve the great heights and to achieve the differences that they make in people's lives. In this financial year, we have spent 15% of our budget on education. That's 3,600 crores is spent on education every year. So there is no dearth of financial resources that are spent on education by our government. But still, we are not able to provide the kind of quality and the difference that we would like to make to education in the last 52 years. But at the end of the day, my strongest message to all the schools, teachers and managing committees, that while we have all these issues around us, and while we try to resolve all these issues, My only request to them and to all of you is that every decision we take, every issue we bring out, and every step that we take forward, let us always keep the child and the student at the center of that decision. Let the student be the guiding force to allow us to decide what we should do for the education sector or for the school. Not just what is good for the school or for the teachers or for the managing committee, but most importantly, what is right and good for the student. I think if this mindset will be there, I hope that we will be moving in the right direction to ensure that we are able to really get a proper education system in spite of all the challenges we have. And slowly and steadily, the overall education system in Meghalaya, which is already changing, will see a major shift in the days to come.